Johnny's paper pot transplanter, farming made simple. Planting rows of seedlings can be back-breaking work, but Johnny's paper pot transplanter makes the process faster, easier, and much more efficient. With this clever system, one person can plant up to 264 seedlings in just minutes, saving both time and energy in the field. The secret lies in the paper chain system. Seedlings are packed into small paper cells that are linked together like a belt. As the transplanter rolls forward, it gently pulls the chain into the soil, dropping each plant neatly into place. No measuring distances, and no guesswork. Each seedling ends up perfectly spaced at 5, 10, or 15 centimeters, depending on the setting you choose. Weighing only 12 kilograms, it's light enough to handle with just one hand, yet sturdy enough to use across different soil types. At $699, it may seem like an investment, but for small farmers and gardeners looking to boost productivity, it can quickly pay for itself. With this tool, planting doesn't just get easier, it gets smarter. Duca Multitool, 42 functions in one. Imagine carrying an entire workshop in the palm of your hand. That's exactly what the Duca Multitool delivers. Unlike your standard gadget with a handful of features, this one packs an incredible 42 different functions into a single, compact device. Whether you need to grind, engrave, cut, or clean, it's built to handle a wide range of materials including wood, glass, metal, and acrylic. On a single charge, the Duca runs for up to 60 minutes, and thanks to its adjustable speed settings, you can fine-tune the RPM anywhere from 10,000 to 28,000. That means it's just as useful for delicate engraving as it is for heavier cutting jobs. Best of all, it's priced at just $59, and even comes with a 40-piece accessory set to get you started right away. For DIYers, hobbyists, and makers, the Duca isn't just a tool, it's a game-changer that brings precision and power to your fingertips. Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl, a simple fix for a messy job. Cutting with a circular saw often comes with one big headache: dust flying everywhere. That's where the Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl comes in. Built specifically for saws with blades up to 162 mm, this clever gadget helps capture dust and debris before it spreads all over your workspace. What makes it stand out is its dual material design. The bowl is strong enough to handle accidental bumps yet flexible enough to fold down when you're done. That means it's not only durable but also highly portable. You can toss it in your tool bag or suitcase without taking up much room. Another smart touch is the translucent material, which makes it easier to line up your cuts and keep everything level. At just 209 grams, it's incredibly lightweight, and the best part? For a small investment, you get a tool that keeps your projects cleaner, safer, and a whole lot less stressful. Rive Stop, sealing construction holes made easy. Every construction project leaves behind one annoying problem: holes from formwork. Usually, covering these gaps takes time and effort, but Rive Stop offers a brilliantly simple solution. This small but powerful rivet is made from an elastic material that can expand up to 50%, allowing it to fit snugly into almost any hole. Once in place, it creates a tight seal that's both waterproof and fire-resistant, giving long-lasting protection without extra coatings or treatments. The best part? Installation is incredibly fast. With just one worker, up to 420 rivets can be installed in an hour, and each one takes only a few seconds to set. That means big savings on labor and time while still ensuring professional results. A standard pack of 50 rivets, size D27, costs around $172, making it a cost-effective choice for builders who value efficiency and durability. It's one of those smart little tools that shows how innovation can solve even the simplest construction challenges. Beaver Pipe Blockage Detector Locators. Imagine dealing with a clogged pipe but having no idea where the problem lies. Instead of digging blindly or tearing things apart, the Beaver Pipe Blockage Detector makes the job simple. The process is straightforward. You feed a 30-meter cable with a built-in beacon into the pipe until it reaches the blockage. Once there, the handheld scanner pinpoints the exact location with impressive accuracy. Since every job is different, the kit comes with 8 spare beacons, ensuring you're always prepared. The detector can sense blockages up to 40 centimeters deep in plastic pipes and around 15 centimeters in metal pipes, making it versatile for various situations. For plumbers, maintenance workers, or even DIY homeowners, this tool saves both time and effort. And with a price tag of just $60, it's an affordable solution that proves you don't always need expensive equipment to get professional results. Bevel and miter box, Wolfcraft. Cutting baseboards and moldings by hand can be tricky, especially when you need those angles to line up perfectly. That's where the Wolfcraft bevel and miter box steps in, turning what could be a frustrating task into a quick and precise job. This clever tool first works as an angle gauge, measuring corners anywhere from 85 degrees to 180 degrees. Once the angle is set, you simply place the baseboard into the box and start cutting. No complex calculations needed. Depending on the model, it can handle baseboards up to 70 mm or even 100 mm high, making it suitable for small home projects as well as professional carpentry work. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, this tool ensures neat, tight-fitting joints every time. And with prices starting at just $36, it's a practical investment for anyone looking to get cleaner results with less effort. Ibenstock Core Drill. Power meets precision. When it comes to drilling through the toughest materials, the Ibenstock 50P Diamond Core Drill is a beast in its own right. Built for durability, this machine is designed to take on demanding jobs like reinforced concrete, brick, and natural stone with ease. At its heart lies a 1.5 kilowatts motor, delivering enough power to push through dense surfaces without hesitation. What makes this tool even more versatile is its wide range of compatible drill bits, from as small as 6 mm way up to 68 mm, giving professionals the flexibility they need on different projects. If you're working on larger or more precise drilling tasks, you can even attach it to a drill rig and hook up a water supply system to control dust and heat. Ibenstock also thought ahead by including built-in safety features, protecting the drill from overheating and overcurrent issues. Despite its heavy-duty performance, Bow Saw Chainsaw, Pand 361. Closing out today's lineup is a true classic, the Bow Saw Chainsaw Pand 361. First made popular back in the 1960s, this machine has stood the test of time, earning respect for both its power and reliability. At its heart is a 59cc engine, giving it enough muscle to handle serious woodcutting jobs. Paired with guide bars designed for a 9.5 mm chain pitch, it's capable of tackling tough tasks that ordinary saws might struggle with. The Pand 361 isn't just for straightforward cuts, it's also built to handle non-standard angles and tricky log work directly on the ground. That versatility made it a favorite among professionals and heavy-duty users. What's even more impressive is that, decades later, spare parts are still available, proving the craftsmanship and lasting quality of its design. Trotec T-600. The Trotec T600 is a true game-changer when it comes to detecting hidden moisture inside walls. Instead of guessing where the problem might be, engineers and building experts can now measure moisture levels with precision. Using advanced microwave technology, the T600 can probe up to 30 centimeters deep, giving accurate readings without damaging the surface. One of its biggest advantages is that it's unaffected by salts, which makes it especially useful in older buildings where salt contamination often skews results. Beyond moisture detection, the T600 can even help identify metal objects like wires or fittings, reducing the risk of accidents during renovation or drilling. The device comes with a user-friendly touchscreen display and pairs with the Multi-Measure mobile app, allowing professionals to analyze, store, and even share reports directly with clients using a smartphone. At around $276, it's not just affordable, it's a smart investment for anyone dealing with construction, restoration, or building maintenance. Tajima Chalk Right Sturdy. Marking made tough. When it comes to marking long, straight lines on a worksite, Not all chalk tools are built to last. The Tajima Chalk Wright's Sturdy stands out because it's designed with durability in mind. Instead of the typical plastic casing, this model comes in a solid aluminum body, giving it a rugged feel that can handle the daily wear and tear of construction work. Many compare its design to fishing gear, with a smooth, practical winding system that makes it easy to stow and carry around. The cord itself is another highlight. It's protected inside a braided sleeve, which means less fraying and better resistance against snapping. You can mark long distances effortlessly, and it even comes in two thickness options: 0.5 mm for fine lines or 1 mm for bolder marks. There's the sturdy version, where both the tip and handle are made of metal instead of plastic. Priced at around $57, it's a small investment that guarantees precision and long-lasting reliability. Perfect for professionals who need a dependable tool on every project.